Yo, what's up, humans? It's ya boy, Bigfoot. Today's vlog's LIT. I found some campers.
Watch this. I'm gonna scare them, but like, not too hard. Don't want to give them a heart attack. Maybe just a little one.
Raccoon? Bruh, I'm 8 feet tall. Dude, that's NOT a raccoon!
Oh, they're catching on. Time for the big reveal. Gotcha. Man, your face is priceless. Yo, that was hilarious. Smash like and subscribe. Wait, do I even have Wi-Fi out here? Heh, whatever. Peace out, humans.
Hey guys, welcome to our winter camping vlog.
Yeah, we're here to prove Bigfoots don't just hide, we glamp. Dude, how do you lose a tent pole in the snow? You're made for this weather.
Shh, the humans think we're mythical. Don't ruin it.
Gasp. Sniff, sniff. Oh, what have we here?
You're killing me.
Grrr, snow make marshmallow burn.
Silly snow.
Legend of the missing socks. Gasps. Snoring.
Oh hey, you're still here?
Subscribe, or we'll find you.